So we were given this equation, x squared plus 8x plus 3 equals 0. Remember, we always want to check and make sure that we have ax squared plus bx plus c, but this is the most important part. It has to be set equal to 0. From there, to find the solution to this thing, we need to know what a is. Well, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 8, and c is equal to 3. So then I would say x is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2a. What's that mean? Negative b, which is 8, plus or minus the square root of 8 squared minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is 3. All over 2 times a, which is 1. Well, that is negative 8 plus or minus the square root of 64 minus 12 all over 2. Well, that would be negative 8 plus or minus the square root of, what is 64 minus 12? 2 is 62, 52. All over 2. Now 52 is the same as 4 times 13. So then this will be negative 8 plus or minus the square root of 4 times the square root of 13 all over 2. That can be rewritten as negative 8 over 2 plus or minus 2 root 13 over 2. And then when you simplify the fraction, that would be negative 4 plus or minus, the 2's cancel, root 13. And that's your final answer.